Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Manish and I am here with the new class and I hope you are getting the previous videos up to the mark. So let's begin with today's topic. Today's topic is face value, place value and expanded form. In Hindi, place value is जातीय मान, place value is स्थानीय मान. So let's begin. Before starting with the concept, let me tell you some basics. So when we define any number, there is certain liability to establish the digits. Liability means on which place or on which basis the number or the digit is situated in the number. So there are mainly two terms. One is face value and another is place value. So what is a face value? Face value of any number can be represented as the value of the digit itself. Means the face value is the digit itself. For example, there is a number 394 and we have to find out the the face value of digit 3. Then the face value of the digit 3 in the number 394 will be 3 only. Okay, next is place value. What is a place value? This is the value which represents the position of a digit in a number. Means at which position the digit in a number is placed. For example, if we have to find out the place value of the same digit, we have the number 394, and if we have to find the place value of digit 3, then it will be multiplied by its place means the value of its base, that is 100, and multiplied by that digit. So 3 into 100, so the place value of the digit 3 will be 300. As these both the terms are little bit similar, but there are some differences. So the first difference is the place value is the digit multiplied wherever it is placed, either by hundreds or thousands according its place. But the face value is simply defined as the digit itself within a number. It means for finding the place value of any digit, we have to multiply it by its base. But in face value, there is no need of any multiplication with its base. The face value is directly the digit itself. Another is, this is a similar thing in both the values. In place value and face value, the value of 0, the number 0 is always 0, both the face value and place value terms. Now in the earlier classes we already studied what are the bases for different place values. So here is once again the table for the bases and its place. So these are the places and these are the base value for different places. You must know these base value of all the places, because for finding the place value you have to need this. Now let's begin with the example to understand well the concepts. Here is an example. The number is 63,215. Now first we will find the place value, face value. Face value means the digit itself. So for the digit 5, the face value will be the number itself. So for digit 5, the face value will be 5. For digit 1, 1. For digit 2, face value will be 2. For digit 3, the face value will be 3. The digit 6, the face value will be 6. Okay. Next example. Here is one more example, and the number is 75,906. So here we will find again the face value of every digit. We will start from ones place. This is ones place. So 6 is at ones place. So the face value of digit 6 will be 6. For the digit 0, as we have studied earlier, the face value of 0 will be 0. Face value of digit 9 will be 9. The face value of 5 will be 5, and face value of the digit 7 will be 7. Okay. Likewise, we can take any number and we can find out the face value of every digit of that number. Now next comes is a place value. So the place value, as we studied, we have to multiply the digit itself by the base value of that place. Here is an example. The number is 78,064. So first we will find out the place value of first digit, and the digit is 4. So the place value of the digit 4 will be 4 into 1. 4 is the digit and 1 is its base value, because 4 is present at ones place, so we have to find out by this. So the place value of 4 will be 4. Now next digit is 6. So the place value of 6 will be 6, and now here we are multiplying by 10. Why 10? Because 6 is present at tens place. So 6 into 10, 60. Next number is 0. We know the place value and face value of 0 is always 0, so the place value of number digit 0 will be 0. Next number is 8. The digit 8 and its place value will be 8 into its base value. Its base is 1000 and its value will be 8 into 1000, 8000. So the place value of 8 is 8000. And the last digit 7, and it is also on 10,000's place, so we will multiply it by 7 into 10,000, and the place value of 7 will be 70,000. Okay. Now the next example is 63,215. So first we will find the place value of 5. At ones place, the face value and face value and place value of any digits are same. So at ones place the digit is 5, so place value will be 5 only. Next digit is 1, so the place value of 1 will be 1 into its base value 10, so place value will be 10. Next is 2. For 2 hundreds place, we will multiply by 100, and place value of 2 will be 200. Next is 3. 3 into, we will multiply by its base, 3 into 1000, so place value of 3 will be 3000. For 6, we will multiply by 10,006. Now you can see a pattern. The pattern is we are multiplying first by number and second one by its base value. So we can derive a formula to find out the place value as the digit itself. Whatever the digit, suppose we have to find out for digit 5. So the digit 5 into its base value. Its base value means it is present at ones place, so 5 into 1. Likewise, for every digit we can create the place value as this formula. This is just for understanding. I hope all of you are getting this. Now we can also use a short trick. Short trick means, suppose we have a number. This is a trick to find out the place value of any digit in a number. Suppose we have number 5,47,389. Now here the color digit is 7, so we have to find out the place value of digit 7. I have written here 7000. It is the place value of digit 7 in this number. So the short trick is we have to write the digit as itself. So we have written here 7. After that we have to see how many places are after the after the digit. We have the digit 7 and how many places? 3, 8 and 9. So 3 places. So we will add that much zeros. So we will add 3 zeros. So the place value of digit 7 in this number will be 7000. Next example, we have a number 85,365. Now what we will do, we have to find out the number, so the digit 3 and its place value. So we will write the digit 3 as it is, and after that we have two digits 6 and 5. So we will add 2 zeros. So the place value of digit 3 here will be 300. Next example, 49,876 is the number, and we have to find out the place value of digit 4 in this number. So we will write the 4 as it is, and we will count the remaining numbers after that digit. So there are 4 digits after the digit 4. So we will add that much zeros after that number. So 40,000 will be the place value for this digit 4 in that number. Okay, so this is the short trick when you are getting some difficulties to find out the place value of any digit. You just have to find the places after that number and add that much zeros after that digit. So you will get the place value of that digit. I hope now you have clear with the concept of face value and base value. Now there is one more term, expanded form. Expanded form in Hindi you can say as vistarit roop. This is very simple if you are getting how to find out the place value. So basically what is a expanded form? Expanded form is a addition of all of the place values of a number in a linear arrangement. Basically this is a addition. Addition of what? This is the addition of the place value of every digit. Firstly we have to find the place value of each digit, and we have to add them with the plus sign. For example, here is a number 6378. We have the place values. For the number 8, the value of the place is, the place value of digit 8 is 8. For 7, 73, 300, and for digit 6 the place value is 6000. So we are here with the place values. Now add them. Very simple. So the expanded form of the number 6378 will be addition of all these place values. Very simple. Okay, now one more example. Again here is a number 45,086, and we have to convert its expanded form. So first find out the place values. The place value for 6 will be 6. For 8 the place value is 80. For 0, 0. For the digit 5 the place value is 5000, and for digit 4 the place value is 40,000. Now add them and we will get the expanded form. Okay, I hope you are getting the expanded form. Now one last term is a compressed form. Simply the compressed form is just opposite of a expanded form. In expanded form we have written separate place values and we are adding them. In compressed form we will just we will find the sum of all that expanded form numbers. So there is an example in expanded form as 8000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 2, and we will get by adding them 8642. So this is a expanded form, and by adding them we are getting the compressed form. So it is just opposite of expanded form. So the expanded form and the compressed form are vice versa. Okay. So for practice purpose you can note down this, and you can practice for better explanation. So here is the examples, the numbers in which you have to find out the place value and face value for the color digit. Suppose this is the number 6589, so the digit 5 is colored, so the digits are in red color. For those you have to find out the place value and face value both. So thank you so much for watching the video. You may like, share and subscribe my channel Ganit Manishi. Thank you.